In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bank account on Wise. We'll walk through the process of updating the bank account connected to your Wise account step by step in a simple and practical way. If you've switched banks, opened a new account, or just want Wise linked to a different bank account, this is the area you'll need to update. To begin, go to the Wise homepage and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top area of the page and click on your profile icon. This will open your account menu where you can access your personal settings and account-related options. From there, click on Payment Methods. This section is where Wise stores and manages the ways you pay, including any linked bank accounts. If you're looking to replace an existing bank connection, this is the right place to do it. Next, click on Connected Bank Accounts. Here, you'll be able to see any bank account that is currently linked to your Wise profile. Take a moment to review what's already connected so you can be sure you're updating the correct one. If you already have a bank account connected and you want to switch to a different one, click Disconnect next to the existing bank account. This removes the current linked account from Wise. It's a good idea to double check before disconnecting, especially if that bank account is still being used for payments or transfers. If you rely on it for any active activity, make sure you're ready to replace it right away. After that, click Connect your bank account. This will start the process of linking a new bank account to Wise. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, as Wise may ask you to confirm your identity or authorize the connection through your bank, depending on your region and bank provider. Then, connect your bank account by entering or confirming the required banking details and completing any verification steps shown on screen. Be sure the information matches your bank account exactly to avoid connection issues or delays later on. Once everything is complete, your new bank account should appear in the Connected Bank Accounts section. At that point, you've successfully changed the bank account on Wise. And that's it. The process is fairly quick once you know where to go. Just head to your profile, open Payment Methods, go into Connected Bank Accounts, disconnect the old one if needed, and connect the new account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.